Hello, thank you for the emails and questions. I wanted to see if by impersonating you, which I'm in your account right now, I won't be doing anything to it, just want to see it from your perspective, what's going on. So when I click on quizzes, we know that you need to do quiz number 1 and quiz number 2, Table Talk and Graphic Tales. What I've also encouraged you to do was to open up 2 screens so that you could actually see the content as well as answer the questions. So this is the first one, so it should be quiz 1. So what I'm seeing is that it likely is a problem on your end because I'm able to go into it. So I typed it quiz 1 with a capital Q, and I was able to access. Based on these questions, you can actually see that it would be beneficial if you had a second screen open so that you can actually see what the content is so you can answer the questions. So try them again. If not, I would try a different device. There's something going on that's preventing you, maybe pop-ups, that's preventing you from accessing the information because I've just done it in your own account.